10% down payment and 1% monthly payment plan for all season residents of freehold property by local Emirati developer Al Zaruni since 1960 in Dubai, located in Sports City, the master developer of the community. And Sports City is known for sports hub and only cricket stadium in Dubai, surrounded by schools, malls, lakes, golf clubs and much more. It is located just 2 minutes from future metro station and unlimited of world-class amenities. So what are you waiting for? Contact us today.